This Rose Realty property video is presented by Nathan Johnson. Cozy and updated home ready to move in. You'll enjoy the newer wood laminate floors and modern windows. Large eat-in kitchen with all appliances included. Separate laundry/mud room area. Bedrooms have new carpet recently installed. Newer light fixtures throughout and remodeled bathroom has updated tub/sink/toilet plus tile. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet with extra storage. Living room natural gas fireplace included. Nice sized fenced backyard with one oversized one-car garage with extra space for shop and back overhang carport. Backwood deck perfect for enjoying the weather. Cellar basement attached. Immediate possession. Call today for your showing before it's gone. For more information,